Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to screen record on PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Open up your browser and search for OBS Studio, and here if you go to OBS Studio and click on download. If you download OBS Studio, you'll get to record your screen and take screenshots and modify your screen records also. There are some few other screen recorders. Let me show you, like Camtasia download. This is the one I am currently using right now, so it avails you to use Camtasia Studio and Recorder too. So there is another one that is Snipping Tool or Free Snipping Tool. If you download this, you will get to screen record and take snips of your screen too. I have the Snipping Tool in my PC, so let me show you. If I open Snipping Tool, and here the plus comes and I took a snip, and here you can see I can upload it, I can copy it as a snip, and I can also save it, I can also share it. And there is a plus point of this snipping tool, that is we can also screen record our screen with this tool. So yeah, these are some few tools. With that, you can just screen record on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.